Hello students, good morning and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Welcome to Saraswati Sishu Kunji Bagwala Sir, Standard 1st, English Medium Subject EVS, Chapter 7, Cleanliness, Part 2. So students, we have already discussed the Part 1 of cleanliness, right? So what we have discussed in the first part? So we discussed in the first part about some good and clean habits, right? Now, we will recall it first, what we have discussed in the first part, right? So, we discussed about some good and clean habits, and we discussed that only good food that not keeps us good and healthy, but for the good and healthy body, we should keep our body clean, we should keep our surrounding clean, as well as we should keep our home neat and clean. Okay, so we have discussed till here, and we discussed some more good and clean habits. Which are the good habits? Now let's see. We should wash our hands with soap and water. Number 2. We should flush the toilet after using every time. And third one is we should rinse our mouth with water after eat or drink something. So students, in the first part of cleanliness, we have discussed that we should wash our hands with soap and water. Second point, we should flush the toilet after using every time. And in the third point, we discussed that we should rinse our mouth after eating or drinking something. Now, today in this part number 2, we are going to learn about some more good and clean habits, right? But before going forward, I would like to show one video. Let's watch it carefully.
Now we will see one video, cleanliness of the body. We must keep our body clean for good health. Now let's see some good habits for good and healthy body. Do not oversleep. Get up early in the morning. Go to the toilet and flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands with soap and water. Wash your eyes with cool and clean water and remove dirt from the corner of your eyes. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth well. Clean your tongue with the tongue cleaner. Brush your teeth twice in a day, once in the morning and once at night before go to bed. Take bath with soap, scrub and water every day. Wash your hair too. Girls with the long hair should wash their hair once in a week. Use clean towel to wipe your body and to dry your hair. Comb your hair neatly. Wear always clean clothes. Do not wear dirty clothes. Always carry the clean handkerchief. Do not put your fingers in mouth to bite nails. Otherwise, the dirt will enter to your stomach and you will fall sick. Nails should be cut at least once in a week. and clean your ears. Thank you.
So students, I hope all of you have seen and enjoyed the video, right? So the video is about the cleanliness of the body. The video is about cleanliness of the body, and if you have seen, there are some good and clean habits, right? So I hope all of you will keep these good habits to keep your body healthy and good. So students, all of you will follow all the good and clean habits for your good and healthy body, right? Now, today in this session, part number 2 of cleanliness, we will learn the hard words of its meaning. Number 1, B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. So you should brush twice in a day. First in the morning and once at night before going to bed. You should brush twice in a day. Once in the morning and one at night before going to bed. Number 2. B-A-T-H, bath. B-A-T-H, bath. So you should take bath every day to keep your body clean. You should take bath every day to clean your body. Number 3, white. W-I-T-E, white. W-I-T-E, white. So after bathing, everyone should use clean towel to wipe your body. After bathing, everyone should use clean towel to wipe your body. Number 4, sneeze. S-N-E-E-Z-E. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze. Sneeze means, in Gujarati we can say that sneeze આવવી. Here in this slide you can see that the girl is sneezing, right? Number 5, handkerchief. H-A-N-D-K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief. H-A-N-D-K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief. So while sneezing, everyone should use clean handkerchief to wipe your nose. Number 6, trolley. T-H-R-O-U-G-H-L-Y, trolley. T-H-R-O-U-G-H-L-Y, trolley. Trolley means without missing any part. Okay. So after eating, we should wash fruits and vegetables without missing any part. So we should wash fruits and vegetables before eating completely. Okay. Now I am going to read and explain the chapter ahead, right? And in this chapter, in this part, we will learn about some more and good and clean habits. Now everyone pay attention here and pay attention towards here the slide. Every morning after you wake up and every night before you go to bed, brush your teeth. Once again, every morning after you wake up and every night before you go to bed, brush your teeth. It means when you wake up in the morning and when you go to bed at night, everyone should brush your teeth twice in a day. Everyone should brush teeth twice in a day. Once when you wake up in the morning and once when you go to bed at night. Okay? Have a bath every day. Have a bath every day. So everyone should take bath every day to clean your body. Use soap, scrub well and wash your body. So while bathing, everyone should use soap, scrub well and water to clean your body. Wear clean clothes and socks. Wear clean clothes and socks. So after bathing, everyone should wear or you should wear clean clothes as well as socks. Use a handkerchief every time you cough or sneeze or wipe your nose. Use a handkerchief every time you cough or sneeze or wipe your nose. It means while sneezing, you should use clean handkerchief to wipe your nose. While sneezing, everyone should use clean handkerchief to wipe your nose. Always wash vegetables and fruits thoroughly with water before eating. Always wash vegetables and fruits thoroughly with water before eating. So, whenever we eat something, fruits or vegetables, what we have to do? We should wash them. We should wash them completely or thoroughly with water. Okay? So, in this part, today we will learn till here. So, all of you will read and learn this chapter till here. Okay? Okay. Now, we will understand, answer the following questions. Okay? So, here you have to give the answer in one word. Okay? Answer the following questions in one word. So, here you have to write the answer in one word. Let's see. Question 1. What must you use when you cough or sneeze all by your nose? What must you use when you cough or sneeze or wipe your nose? So what we use when we sneeze, cough or wipe? What we use? We use handkerchief. We use handkerchief. So the answer is we use handkerchief. 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 So while sneezing, cough, we use handkerchief. Right? Question 2. What must you do when you wake up in the morning? What must you do when you wake up in the morning? So whenever you wake up in the morning, what you should do first? You should brush your teeth. What you should do first? You should brush your teeth. So here the answer is brush. We do brush when we wake up in the morning. Question number 3. What must you use when you take bath? What must you use when you take bath? So which are the things that you have to use while bathing? So we should use soap, water and scrub. We should use soap and scrub. Okay, next question. Question number 4. What you should do before eating fruits and vegetables? What you should do before eating fruits and vegetables? So what we have to do before eating fruits and vegetables? We have to wash. Okay, we have to wash fruits and vegetables. So the answer is wash. Before eating fruits and vegetables, we should wash. Number 5. Completely. Completely without missing any part means. Completely without missing any part means. So the answer is, it means thoroughly. Thoroughly. Thoroughly means completely without missing any part. For example, before eating fruits and vegetables, we should wash them thoroughly. Means we should wash fruits and vegetables completely without missing any